Dear friends, welcome to our channel. And today in this video we'll talk about Google AdSense not showing the actual balance. It's showing zero balance. So in YT Studio you can see there is my balance $0.1. It's recently started, just only yesterday, since my AdSense was monetized. My YouTube channel was monetized in 19. Today is 22, so around 4 days before. So only this much balance is shown. So I'll open Google AdSense. I'll show you how you can fix this one. So I open Google AdSense. You can open either from Opera, Firefox browser, or Google Chrome. Then go to Google/AdSense AdSense. Alright, it is loading now. So here you can see still my balance is zero here, but what is the actual my balance? So to view this one, first go to here, view report. All right, this is your AdSense page. If you go to home, this is home, AdSense home, right? So go to report, view report, below zero balance. Okay, all right. Then you can click to view report. After you click to view report, then go to three dot at either at the right side, top or down, then make it desktop site. Desktop site means its appearance will be same like of laptop computer, right? So after then you can go to at top, you can see here, go to old report page, then go to old report page, then go to again click old report page. Then here you can then filter. You can it is my showing here this balance, all right, but if it is not showing, then you should type here. You can in filter, just you can, here it is not showing here. Anyway, you can just type here product and YouTube host. All right, if in case it is not showing here, you can type product and YouTube host. But here it is all fine to me. It is already showing. Anyway, that's why it's no problem. So you can see my balance here, actual balance. How much is my balance? So 19 it was monetized. 19 I generate this much balance yesterday and till yesterday. So today still it is not counted. So 3D $1.01. So in this way, after you sit here, after you see your balance from here, same time or after couple of hours, it will start to show balance in your YT Studio. It will start to show your balance YT Studio, but it will be one day earlier, right? So it will be one day earlier means before one day balance only it will shown in YT Studio. There will be one day gap. So always your YT Studio balance will be 1 day less. You can see here 28 days delayed, one day, right? So still it is not updated. It's no problem. So whenever your threshold is reached, this balance, your AdSense balance, will automatically come to your Google main balance. So this is the way you can check your balance. Thank you for being with this video. See you in another video. If you think this video helped you, then kindly consider subscribe.